guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, YouTube growth tips, in fact, everything tutorial on how to make money online and YouTube growth tips. If that's the kind of video that you like, please subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Yes, this is actually my first video, okay? I'm not going to bore you. I don't want to waste your time. I'm just here to tell you what you should be expecting from me, the kind of content that I create. So on this channel, I will be making everything very real and simple, okay? It is whatever that worked for me that I will actually put out there. I'm not going to be like all those YouTubers that will tell you how to get 1,000 subscribers in 7 days, and when you check their channel they only have 50 subscribers. How did you do that? If you know that what you're actually giving out is working, your subscriber count should be like 1k subscribers. You get? So I see no reason why a content creator will just come and post, okay, how to get 1,000 subscribers in 2 days, and you're checking my channel, you're just seeing 2 subscribers. It doesn't really make sense. So what I'm actually trying to say is, whatever I'm going to put out there for you to consume should be something that I have tried and it has worked for me, and I'm putting it out there. So there will be no gatekeeping. I'll be making everything so real, very simple and short, okay? So without wasting much of your time, so this is actually what I will be talking about on this channel. And if you are a new YouTuber or you're about to start, you have not even created your channel, we are here together. Let us grow together, okay? Let us do this thing together, okay? Try and post that your first video. And if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, give me a shout out in the comment section. Just comment below in the comment section and tell me I need a video, a step-by-step video on how to create a well-optimized YouTube channel. If that's what you want, go ahead and comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to make a video on that. And yes, please, you are free to correct me, whatever thing you think I'm not doing right, or if you think there's something that I need to improve, there's something I need to add, there's something I need to minus, whatever thing, please go ahead and say it in the comment section, okay? You can correct me. I'm open to correction. So without wasting much of your time, okay, we are going to come to the end of this video. This is just an epic beginner's video. Or honestly, I really don't know what to cap this video anyway, okay? So that's just it. This is just my first video. I just want to put myself out there so that people will get to know what I'm doing. You get to understand what I'm doing, so that we can get to know each other and we can grow together. New content creators, identify yourself in the comment section, okay? Let us help each other grow, okay? So thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.